Hi everyone, it's Miriam again. Just wanted to follow up and let you know how my last 2 weeks have been in the real estate business and some things that I've gotten accomplished, which I'm really excited about. So I wasn't feeling well last week, so now I'm back ready to hit the road running. A couple things, or I should say several things that I did, and which actually was kind of time consuming, was I got all of my accounts set up for the different programs that we use. But with that being said, I also had to get a new email address. That's something to think about. Get an email address that reflects what you do. So I got a new email address. It's mjanehomedreams@gmail.com. And I also got a new Facebook page that's a business Facebook just for real estate. And then I got a Twitter account, a LinkedIn account, and an Instagram. So all of these things, you want to reflect what it is that you're doing. And you also, on these, you can make connections with other professionals that are in your industry, as well as supportive professions, as lending companies, home inspectors, home builders. So that's something that you want to think about. So that's kind of what I spent this week doing. I also spent time, I took a class on showing you how to, I guess, to create a eye-catching and, getting what you're trying to express about yourself and what your strengths are in a bio. So I've been working on that. You actually go back and you're going to edit it and get some other people to look at it and kind of give you their input on it. So that's what I've done this week as far as starting to brand myself. So I've got a few leads already. One of the things that we learned in one of the classes that I took was your sphere of influence. So your sphere of influence is, how many people do you know? So this is a networking business. It's a client building business. I'm a hairstylist. So one of the best compliments I can get from my hair clients is a referral. So basically it's the same thing. I feel sometimes that when you're in that type of business, you kind of stay in your same circle. So sometimes you have to kind of reach out, but it's a great start is to write down 20 people that you know. You'll be surprised, you probably know more than 20 people, not just relatives, but close friends, but maybe acquaintances that you're not so close with, but they are part of your sphere of influence. And what you want to do after that is you want to let the word out and let them know, hey, you know what? I'm a licensed realtor. If you know someone who's selling or who's looking to buy or possibly even relocating, that's a great way to kind of get your name out there and what you do. I a lot of times, some people real quick, you can give them a business card, but I found in the past that, a lot of times they'll throw a business card in their wallet and they forget about it. But I personally, what I've done in the hair business is I would say, hey, here's my business card. I said, but you know what? Check out my IG account. Make sure on your IG, your Instagram account, your Facebook account, that it has all your contact information on there. And if you have referrals from someone that you've already helped, but like myself, I'm new in the industry. But so I'm just, posting little snippets of, real estate information or, just a kind of a cool quote and just kind of letting people know and just slowly kind of just, adding things to it. Instagram is a great thing for that. Follow people that are in your industry because people follow them. So whether it's in real estate, I go on Instagram and I look at people to follow that are in the area that I live in, or they provide different services. It doesn't have to be just in real estate. There's an ice cream shop that's here in Lewis, Florida that I love, and it's a little small family-owned business or whatever. But you know what? I had them on my hairstyling Instagram. I'm following them on my real estate Instagram because they have a multitude of followers. So that's a great way of networking. So that's something I wanted to share with you, something to think about, very short. And just to close with that, it's been a very busy week. It's a little bit frustrating in a way because I'm ready and I'm getting excited, but you know what, I'm trying to get in as much information as I can. I'm going to the classes, I'm going to the meetings, and I tell you, like, every day that I go, I'm learning something new, so it's very exciting. And like I said, I use what I have, which are my clients right now that I've already built a relationship with. And this business is about building relationships. You want people to be comfortable with you if you're going to buy their house, or if you're going to help them, buy their next home or sell their existing home. So it's a building relationship type of industry. So I have got 3 contacts. One of them is a relative, and the other 2 are actually through my other business. And I've been talking about getting into real estate for the last several months, so they kind of were aware. And as soon as I was legally able to tell them, hey, you know what, I passed my exam, I'm licensed now, and so I'm excited about that. And I'm kind of taking baby steps, trying to figure things out. I have a mentor that I'm working with, so to make sure. So I'm working on getting my first listing to sell, and then to possibly buy, and I'm also working on someone who's a first-time home buyer. So I'm a little bit excited. I will touch base with you again, and have a wonderful week.